calls drop at exactly 30 minutes. You blame the network. They die on a clean interval every time. The cause is a session timer. RFC 4028 defines it. One side must send a re-invite before the interval runs out. If nobody sends it, both ends drop the call. The full write-up is on VoIP School. Let us see why. SIP has no keep alive at the session layer. If the media path dies silently, the signaling stays up forever. The fix is a negotiated expiry. One party owns the refresh and sends a re-invite or update before the deadline. If the refresh never comes, the session is torn down. You see two numbers more than any other. 1800 seconds is 30 minutes. 900 is 15. The number is not random. It is a configured value sitting in your trace. Open the initial invite and the 200 OK. Look for the Session-Expires header. The refresher is negotiated, not assumed. If the invite says refresher equals UAC, the caller sends the re-invite. If it says UAS, the callee does. If neither side implements the role it was assigned, the timer fires and the call drops. Find the session seizers in the 200 OK of the call that dropped. Note the refresher. Then look at the trace between the answer and the drop. If the assigned refresher sent no re-invite and no update, that is your cause. A box that does not implement RFC 4028 can still accept the header and ignore it. The trace is the only way to see this. Read the full write-up on VoIP School.